Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to add LinkedIn URL on your resume as well as how you personalize your LinkedIn URL. It's very simple tips and tricks. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, you need to open LinkedIn account. So this is my LinkedIn account and I explain here very well about my experience, my expertise, all information, how you build this LinkedIn account very smart way. I already make a several video related on LinkedIn. You can visit on LinkedIn playlist and understand how you build your LinkedIn profile. So here, this is my account profile and edit public profile and URL. If you click here, so after that here, linkedin.com/in/my name. You can click here and then put it here any types of name, which types of name you want add here, and customize your entire LinkedIn URL. It's very simple. After customize this URL, you can simply save this one, and after that you can copy this entire URL and paste where you want added this URL. So I just simply paste here my URL. So this is my URL. Now next point come here, how to add this URL in my resume and call very easily of single click. So I will show you my resume here. I just simply open here my resume in Chrome browser and look at this here, bottom of the screen. I added here two types of link as a demo point of view. First one, I type here LinkedIn and then entire URL, like as I copy here, I just simply copy and paste here. If I click here, so my LinkedIn page is open here, and next URL, if I click here in the LinkedIn spelling, if I click here, still my LinkedIn profile is open. It's very simple. So now how I added this one, it's very simple. I always make my resume on my overlap account. How you understand overlap latex, I already make a several video and I make a simple resume also in overlap portal, but you can do same process of Microsoft Word or any other format. So as a overlap point of view, I will show you here two examples. First one here, look at this is my screen. Here is the code, just only 2-line code of each line code represent of each one. If I click here, so here is account is open. If I click here, so again here is account open. It's easy. So here first of all, I type here text LinkedIn in bracket and then particular URL, which types of URL I want open. After clicking here, so the entire URL, and after that here I added here hyperlink tag and then put it here same link as I call it here, and the entire link I want save this particular word in the LinkedIn. So if I click here, LinkedIn page is open. It's easy. And again if I click here, so my LinkedIn page is open. So you can use these tips and tricks and add LinkedIn profile URL on your resume, as well as I'm doing same process of my personal website, as well as same process of I added here my Skype account. Using these tips and tricks, you can add and explain smart way of your all presentation in resume. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.